Hello to science and art lovers. In this video, we introduce one of the most prominent contemporary surgeons and the deep impact of his work on modern medical science. Stay with us. This pioneering surgeon and the father of modern abdominal surgery was born on April 26, 1829 in present-day Germany. He lost his pastor father at the age of 5 due to tuberculosis. After studying at the Greifswald School, he started medicine at the University of Greifswald at the request of his mother. He went to Göttingen University under Professor Wilhelm Baum and completed his medical studies at Frederick William University in 1852. He worked at Charité in Berlin until 1860, and then accepted the clinical chair at the University of Zurich. In 1867, he started working as a professor of surgery at the University of Vienna. During the Franco-Prussian War, he performed aggressive and daring surgeries on the wounded in the military hospital at Mannheim and Weissenberg. One of his important works was the research on the fever caused by the surgical wound, which significantly reduced the fever after applying antiseptic techniques to the surgical site. He was responsible for a number of landmarks in surgery. The first esophagectomy, removal of the esophagus, in 1872, the first laryngectomy, removal of the larynx, in 1873, the first rectal resection, removal of the rectum, are some of his outstanding works, but his most famous work was the first successful gastrectomy, removal of the stomach, for the treatment of stomach cancer in 1881, which is named after him. In addition to surgery, he was a talented pianist and violinist and was a close friend of Brahms in Vienna, so that Brahms dedicated Opus 51 to him. His research in the field of music was the first attempt to apply scientific methods in music. He considered science and art to be complementary and wrote in a letter that, "It is one of the superficialities of our time to see in science and in art two opposites. Imagination is the mother of both." In 1888, he was elected as a member of the German Academy of Sciences Leopoldina. This eminent surgeon died in 1894 in present-day Croatia. Thank you for being with us.